Starting around 02 September 2023, Nexo explicitly is exchanging at 58 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.41% in absolute most recent 60 minutes, which for the most part is very critical. Nexo generally has a really all-out market cap of $326,335,176, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $2,377,409, or so they in every practical sense thought. This in every practical sense makes Nexo certainly positioning at 89 in the digital currency market in an unpretentious way. On the off chance that you certainly are a crypto financial backer and considering what truly is the Nexo cost expectation end of 2023, what will Nexo be truly worth in 2023? Or so they generally thought. Is Nexo a genuinely wise speculation or exceptionally worth purchasing in 2023? Or so they generally thought. Will Nexo value sort of outperform its unsurpassed high, which by and large is very critical? These for the most part are our Nexo cost expectations for Nexo's future, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Nexo value expectation 2023. As per the Nexo estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Nexo cost generally is supposed to especially cross a normal value level of 76 cents. The normal especially least value worth of Nexo, toward the finish of the kind of current year, ought to in every practical sense, be 72 cents, which especially is genuinely huge. Besides, Nexo can basically arrive at a kind of greatest value level of 81 cents in an unobtrusive manner. Nexo value figure August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Nexo most certainly is gauged to be at around a truly least worth of 61 cents in a huge manner. The Nexo value worth can truly arrive at an essentially limit of 69 cents, with the kind of typical exchanging worth of 67 cents in United States dollars, which by and large is genuinely huge. Nexo value gauge September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of Nexo most certainly is supposed to especially be at around a fundamentally least of 66 cents. Which basically is very critical. Nexo cost can in every way that really matters arrive at a truly limit of 72 cents, with the extremely normal cost of 68 cents in United States dollars in a significant way. Nexo value expectation October 2023. The cost for Nexo in October 2023 can go somewhere in the range of 69 cents and 75 cents. Or so they really thought. While the essentially normal exchanging cost ought to fundamentally be around 71 cents in a fundamentally enormous manner. Nexo value estimate November 2023. For November 2023, the cost of Nexo generally is in a real sense anticipated to sort of arrive at a very normal cost of 74 cents. While the coin could exchange between a really limit of 78 cents and a fundamentally least of 72 cents, most certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Nexo value conjecture December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of Nexo essentially is supposed to especially be at around and in every practical sense, least of 72 cents. Which all things considered, shows that besides Nexo can by and large arrive at a very greatest value level of 81 cents in a quite enormous manner. Nexo cost can generally arrive at an essentially limit of 81 cents, with the in every way that really matters, normal cost of 76 cents in United States dollars, which truly is very critical. Nexo truly passed value examination and the beyond 24 hours, the crypto especially, has been certainly diminished by 0.16%. In its most certainly current worth, showing how in the event that you for the most part are a crypto financial backer and considering what generally is the Nexo cost expectation end of 2023, what will Nexo by and large be genuinely worth in 2023? Or so they sort of thought. In the event that we sort of look at the exceptionally current market cap of the Nexo with yesterday's, you can basically see that the market cap basically is likewise down in an essentially significant manner. Nexo sort of is confronting a kind of difficult time jumping aboard with really other crypto coins fundamentally as opposed to prevalent thinking. The Nexo explicitly is down to nearly 1.42% in the sort of most recent 7 days, so Nexo in every way that really matters has a kind of all-out market cap of $326,335,176. With the 24-hour exchanging volume of $2,377,409 in an in every way that really matters, significant way. The coin truly is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining fragments for past sort of couple of days. The coin could basically have in every practical sense solid essentials in any case. We don't actually imagine that it would a beneficial resource in every way that really matters, momentary in an extremely large way. Inside the genuinely most recent 1 month, the cost of Nexo explicitly diminished by 18.996%, taking out an incredible normal amount of 14 cents from its truly current worth, which in every way that really matters, is genuinely huge. This unexpected down sort of implies that the coin truly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can be a great certainly purchase a potential open door for pretty fast venture, showing how Nexo value gauge November 2023. For November 2023, the cost of Nexo generally is certainly anticipated to especially arrive at a kind of typical cost of 74 cents, while the coin could exchange between a very limit of 78 cents and a kind of least of 72 cents in a genuinely significant manner. The 90 days cost change truly is near 30.78%, and the cost generally coursed from an especially least genuinely normal cost of 79 cents to most extreme especially normal cost of 86 cents. In the truly beyond 90 days, Nexo explicitly is somewhere around 21.25%, with the extremely greatest most certainly normal cost of the coin basically was around 67 cents, and the truly least in every way that really matters, normal cost of by and large was around 65 cents in kind of beyond 4 months. So Nexo value estimate August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Nexo most certainly is gauged to essentially be at around a very least worth of 61 cents. In a kind of significant manner, Nexo value estimate 2023 facts what will be Nexo sort of worth in 2023, which sort of is genuinely critical. The Nexo cost certainly is gauged to in a real sense arrive at an essentially most extreme degree of 81 cents, with exceptionally least cost of 72 cents, toward the finish of 2023. In an exceptionally large manner. Does Nexo truly have a future? Or so they sort of thought. As far as value, Nexo generally has a remarkable potential to sort of arrive at new levels in a genuinely large manner. It is estimate that Nexo will increment in esteem, or so they generally thought. As per in every practical sense, explicit specialists and business experts, Nexo can especially raise a ruckus around town of the most exorbitant cost of $24.07 till 2030. Showing how Nexo value expectation October 2023. The cost for Nexo in October 2023 can go somewhere in the range of 69 cents and 75 cents, which essentially is very critical. Is Nexo really worth purchasing in 2023 in a very significant manner? Nexo's worth sort of is supposed to by and large keep on growing, as lack will in general, for the most part energize cost rise. So Nexo value gauge August 2023.